you love me.
Welcome to Quality
Service Today.
New segment, A Day in the Life, featuring Alex.
Alright, let's start over. I would say my favorite thing about this job is just the freedom that I get every day to, be out in the world. You're not really watching the clock with this job. Every day really goes by fast. You enjoy your time out here. I would say the other reason I really enjoy this job is just helping people every day. People call us with issues, plumbing issues every day that can be really stressful. And I find a lot of enjoyment and take a lot of pride in going out and helping people in the community. I guess I can start with the cons, just plumbing service in general. It gets dirty sometimes. You work long hours. You're going to be in tight, dark places a lot of times. So it's hard work. And if you like hard work, it's not much of a con. But I would say, if any, just the nature of the job, the hard work that goes along with the job, and just the dirtiness of the job is a con. A pro that I would say is the paychecks each week. So just here at Quality, I feel like I get compensated for my hard work. So I would say that was a pro. I would say this advice I would give to another plumber, especially a younger plumber. Just like sometimes jobs get really tough, and just like a saying that we always say is live to plumb another day. So just pushing through those tough jobs, or even jobs that you're not as comfortable with. So if you're going out to a job and you don't have as much of an understanding, just embracing that challenge and pushing through. It's worth it in the end. Getting through those tough jobs and just working through those tough problems. So that's the advice I would give. What led me to Quality Service today was, I guess we can just start. I have a college degree, so I graduated from college and was kind of in the same boat a lot of people that age are. I didn't really know what I wanted to do with my degree, so I tried doing some jobs, related to my degree, and I just wasn't happy. My buddy had a plumbing business, or my buddy had a buddy that had a plumbing business, and I started working for them. He was a plumbing contractor, so I was doing new construction. And I was just working long hours, getting paid hourly, just working really hard, and I wasn't really happy with what I was getting paid. And saw Quality Service was hiring plumbers. Just, I felt like I was going to get compensated for my hard work, and that's, I've been working here 2 years now, and it's been great.
Tune in next time for A Day in the Life, Meet the Text edition.
Our plumbers lead the way. Quality Service Today.